How to create event ticket. From home, tap on Organizer. Tap on your events. Tap on your event flyer. Scroll down. Tap on the plus sign here to create ticket categories. What type of ticket are you creating? Is it a public ticket or a private ticket? Let's create a public ticket. The name of the ticket. The first ticket that we're going to create will be titled Ordinary. Scroll down. How many of these ordinary tickets we want available online? 500 for example. Scroll down. Select the currency in which you want people to purchase the ticket. Is it leons or in dollars? We'll choose leons. Scroll down to input ticket price. Enter ticket price. Our ticket will be selling for 2 leon. Is this a package or not? If the ticket we created, let's say for instance, was a VIP ticket and it has package, we will select that it is a package. But this is an ordinary ticket, no package involved. Enter a description of the ticket so that customers will understand which type of ticket they are purchasing. Scroll down and select supported payment processes. If you want your tickets to be purchased through AfriMoney or Orange Money, you can select either or both of them. Scroll down to see projected earnings and fees. After viewing your projected earnings, scroll down to submit the ticket you've created. Tap Submit. The ticket category Ordinary has been created. View and activate it to have it available online. Tap OK. We have created the ticket, but it is not available online for people to see and purchase it. So we have to activate it so it can be available online for people to see and purchase it. Scroll down. Tap on the ticket which you've created to activate the ticket so that people can see and purchase it. Tap here to activate the ticket. Our ticket is now available online for people to see and purchase it. Tap back to go back. Tap back. Let's go and see the ticket which we've created. Tap on home. Scroll down. This is the ticket which we've created.